Well, here's the replacement for the Ford window lift mechanism. It's a cable, electric motor, comes all assembled from AutoZone, our favorite store. Anyway, this model is fits Crown Vics and Mercury Grand Marquis, years 92 to 2010 or 11. You have to take the door panel off and unplug all the fittings from the electrical, and then unbolt if it's still original. It's has rivets top and here. There's 3 rivets there, and there's 2, believe it or not, through the window with plastic grommets. You need to drill through those, through the rivets, starting with a small 1/8" drill bit, and drill out the center of the rivet, and then increase the size of the drill bit to approximately 1/4 inch, and that'll help you get rid of the other casing around the rivet. So there's 2 on the window and 3 holding the electric motor to the door panel itself. Now here's a trick, is you need to lower the window however you can do it, even if it's stuck. You need to lower the window about halfway down into the door frame. Very important, because you can't get to these holes unless you drill through the door panel. So there's always ways to get to it. So it's pretty basic, and a difference from the 1970s is it uses a cable, which unfortunately breaks or comes off this pulley, and that's a kind of a planned obsolescence, in my opinion. So the old-fashioned motors from the 70s, 60s, they had this motor, and then they had a gear, and then there was like a bell crank with a larger gear, and it was all gear driven, and there was no cables involved, and it worked perfectly fine until the motor got rusty. That's all for right now on the Crown Vic, Ford Motor Products, and Mercury Grand Marquis division.